Hello. In this tutorial I will teach you a quick trick that will turn a picture into a miniature. The vehicles and people will look like they are little plastic dolls. Of course it can also be done on houses and full of other things. So first thing, should put a blur effect. Under the filter menu, blur gallery, choose tilt shift. Now let's play around a bit with the settings. We want the edges of the image to be blurred but not too much. That way the central part of the image will get highlighted and it gives a feeling of a miniature look. Try to play with the different values yourself until you like the result. I also add some noise to the blur, I think it creates a more authentic look. The next step is to make the colors in the image more plastic, bright and prominent colors. We will add a vibrance layer to the image and increase the values a bit until the colors are stronger and stand out. Now the picture already looks perfect. You can stop here. But whoever wants one last touch will add brightness and contrast layer and play with the settings to make the colors look even brighter. Thank you for watching.